The book of Ezekiel, chapters 1 and 2. And it came to be in the 13th year, in the 4th month, on the 5th of the new moon, as I was among the exiles by the river Chebar, the heavens were opened, and I saw visions of Elohim. On the 5th of the new moon, in the 5th year of the sovereign Jehoiakim's exile, the word of YAHUAH came expressly to Ezekiel the priest, the son of Buzi, in the land of the Casdim by the river Chebar. And the hand of YAHUAH came upon him there. And I looked and saw a whirlwind come out of the north, a great cloud with fire flashing itself. And brightness was all around it, and out of its midst, like glowing metal, out of the midst of the fire, and out of the midst of it came what looked like 4 living creatures. And this was their appearance. They had the likeness of a man, and each one had 4 faces, and each one had 4 wings. And their feet were straight feet, and the soles of their feet were like the sole of a calf's foot. And they sparkled like the appearance of polished bronze, and under their wings on their 4 sides were the hands of a man. And each of the 4 had faces and wings. Their wings touched one another. They did not turn when they went, but each one went straight forward. And the likeness of their faces, the face of a man, and each of the 4 had the face of a lion on the right side, and each of the 4 had the face of an ox on the left side, and each of the 4 had the face of an eagle. Such were their faces. Their wings were spread upward, 2 of each touched one another, and 2 covered their bodies. And each one went straight forward, going wherever the Spirit was to go, and they did not turn when they went. And the likeness of the living creatures, their appearance was like burning coals of fire, and like the appearance of torches moving back and forth among the living creatures. And the fire was bright, and out of the fire went lightning. And the living creatures ran back and forth like the appearance of a flash of lightning. And I looked at the living creatures and saw a wheel on the earth beside each living creature with its 4 faces. The appearance of the wheels and their works was like the appearance of beryl, and all 4 had the same form. The appearance of their works was as it were a wheel in the middle of a wheel. When they went in one of 4 directions. They did not turn aside when they went. And their rims were high and awesome, and their rims were covered with eyes all around the 4 of them. And when the living creatures went, the wheels went beside them. And when the living creatures were lifted up from the earth, the wheels were lifted up. Wherever the Spirit was to go, they went, because there the Spirit went. And the wheels were lifted together with them, for the spirit of the living creatures was in the wheels. When those went, these went. When those stood, these stood. And when those were lifted up from the earth, the wheels were lifted up together with them, for the spirit of the living creatures was in the wheels. And a likeness was over the heads of the living creatures, an expanse like the appearance of an awesome crystal stretched out over their heads. And under the expanse, their wings were straight, one toward another. Each one had 2 which covered one side, and each one had 2 which covered the other side of the body. And when they went, I heard the noise of their wings, like the noise of many waters, like the voice of the Almighty, a tumult like the noise of an army. And when they stood still, they let down their wings. And a voice came from above the expanse that was over their heads. When they stood, they dropped their wings. And above the expanse over their heads was the likeness of a throne in the appearance like a sapphire stone. And on the likeness of the throne was a likeness as the appearance of a man high above it. And from the appearance of his waist and upward, I saw what looked like glowing metal with appearance of fire all around within it. And from the appearance of his waist and downward, I saw what looked like fire and brightness all around. As the appearance of a rainbow in a cloud on a rainy day, so was the appearance of the brightness all around it. This was the appearance of the likeness of the esteem of YAHUAH. And when I saw it, I fell on my face, and I heard a voice of one speaking. Chapter 2. And he said to me, Son of man, stand on your feet so that I speak to you. And the Spirit entered into me when he spoke to me and set me on my feet. And I heard him who was speaking to me. And he said to me, Son of man, I am sending you to the children of Yehezqēēl, to a nation of rebels who have rebelled against me. They and their fathers have transgressed against me until this day. And the children are stiff of face and hard of heart, to whom I am sending you, and you shall say to them, Thus said the Master Yah. And they, whether they hear or whether they refuse, for they are a rebellious house, shall know that a prophet has been in their midst. And you, son of man, do not be afraid of them, nor be afraid of their words, though thistles and thorns are with you, and you dwell among scorpions. Do not be afraid of their words, or discouraged by their looks, for they are a rebellious house. And you shall speak my words to them, whether they hear or whether they refuse, for they are rebellious. And you, son of man, hear what I am speaking to you. Do not be rebellious like that rebellious house. Open your mouth and eat what I am giving you. And I looked and saw a hand stretched out to me, and see, a scroll of a book was in it. And he spread it before me, and it was written on the inside and on the outside. And written on it were lamentations and mourning and woe.